everyone, this is my assignment 3 screencast presentation for my Kakaako SurfCo web application. I will be presenting how I plan on organizing and utilizing all of my web pages. So when the user first enters the web store, they're going to see an index.html page, and the index.html will contain a navbar, and all of my web pages will have the navbar. And the navbar contains the home page, which is index.html, a link to the 3 different product pages, which will be products.html, the shopping cart page, which will be cart.html, and a login page, which will be login.html. I hope to implement a bar on the bottom that says new user, register to email list for a discount, which will provide the user with a discount code if they register their email. If I'm unable to do this successfully, then I'll just take it out of the assignment, but I'm hoping to do it for extra credit. So once a user is on index.html, they can choose from the navbar which product page they would like to go to, or if they would like to go to the cart or login. If they click on cart from the index page, then the cart will be empty, and if they click on login from the index page, then they will be redirected to this login. And if they aren't a returning user, then they will be asked to go to the register.html page. The register.html page will only be accessible through the login.html page. My products pages, I plan on only doing a products display.html page and writing code that will change the types of products displayed on the page based on what the user selects in the navbar. Once a user selects valid quantities of their products, they can hit the add to cart button, which will redirect them to cart.html. And then if they are not done shopping, then there will be a button that says keep shopping, which will redirect them back to the index.html page. And from there they can choose the product page they would like to go to. If they are done shopping, then there will be a button that says login to complete purchase. This button will redirect the user to login.html, where they enter their username and password, and there will be a complete purchase button option or a new user register here button. And if they are a new user, then they will be redirected to register.html page, which will require them to enter a username, password, repeat password, and email. Both the new user and login.html pages have the complete purchase button, which will redirect them to a page that just outputs thank you, their username for your order, your invoice has been emailed to their email address. I plan on using cookies and sessions to store the information of the users during their shopping experience, and so the session will save the username and password data, and the website will continue using cookies to have cookies of their data. And then the session, I will have timeout after. I think I'm going to make it like 5 or 10 minutes, somewhere around there, so that if they are inactive, then they will be signed out of the web page. The user will also have the option to log out of their account, and let's see what else. I plan on making a statement at the top right corner of the navbar that says welcome to the user, and this will be done using cookies. And then if they are not logged in to the page, then they will only have access to the product pages and the login or register page. They will not have access to the cart.html or the completed purchase page. And I think that's about it. Thank you.